Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how you can change the background and how you can apply filters in Google Meet. Now if you're here in this screen, we will see how we can change background, but if you have already joined the meeting also, then also I'll show you how you can change the background. First, if you're on this screen, click on this three dots here and click on settings, click on video, and here click on open effects. Now you will see filters, backgrounds, and appearance. You can click on backgrounds and choose your background, and your background will be applied. My camera is closed, so this icon is being shown here, otherwise my face would be shown. So you can choose any background from here. Okay, let's choose this one, and you can apply filters too. You can apply these things and your face will look like this. Okay, and you can also change your appearance. You can adjust video lighting, and if you turn this on, your face will be put in the center of the frame. And by clicking here, you can see all the filters and backgrounds that are applied. And if you want, you can just click remove all to remove all these things, and then just apply the one that you're interested in. So I'll just apply this one, and you don't need to do anything else. You can just close this. You can just close this, and as you can see, your background is applied, and you can now click on ask to join the meeting. Now, if you're already in the meeting like I'm here right now, you can just click on these three dots here and click on settings, and then click on video, and then change the effects and background as I had shown you already. So this is how you can change the background in Google Meet, whether you have not joined the meeting or you have already joined the meeting. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.